Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. Did you know that you can find out Windows product key on your computer? You can find it. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to find out your Windows product key on your Windows 10 PC. In this method will work only already activated Windows 10 PCs. So let me show you how to find it. For finding the product key on your computer, you have to download on free software called PC Audit tool from internet. So for that, just open your web browser and go to this website location. You can find this web link on video description. So this software called free PC Audit, and this is a freeware system hardware and software information tool. So this is no need to record installation. You can run from any removable storage or CD drive. So also this software compatible with from Windows NT up to Windows 10. So it won't support Windows 11 computers. So you have to just check. I have read an agreement with the license agreement. Just click on free download. Now the tool is started downloading. You can see it. Okay, now the tool is downloaded. After that, just click and open. Okay, now the tool is opened and it is scanning. You have to wait for a while. It will take some time to finish, so you have to wait for that. Now the scan is completed and you can see your system brief details here, and if you click the system tab, you can find out all the system related details here, and the main thing is you can find out your Windows product key here. You can see it. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.